Well, I think now we can start giving a try at getting the recovered dashboard in. So here's what it looks like now. It's kind of ruined. Go around over here. So yeah, it's definitely seen better days. But we'll, I guess we're gonna start with getting the gauge pod and the center console out. This is the, yeah, that's the glove box that I need to recover the original glove box lid, and just gotta get all that stuff out of the way too, and partial stuff. So anyway, we'll start getting to work on that. Well, the steering wheel's off and the pod's unbolted, so now we gotta reach and get the tractor connectors off. And put two on the other side. They're kind of tricky to reach. Alright, well, the gauge pod is no longer attached, so now we, I guess, got to get the center console out and the parcel shelves and the glove box. Yay. Okay, now working our way on to the trim for the console so we can get it out. And after we get that trim off, we can get the radio and HVAC controls and stuff off. And pull the switches out. And then just a couple bolts, and hopefully it should lift on out without too much trouble. Alright, well, center console's out. So now we should be able to unbolt the dash and pull it out. Well, all the bolts are out of it, so it should be free now. I bet along the front of the windshield, though, it's probably stuck with some of the rubber butyl type stuff, but we'll see if we can get it out. Probably should take the A-pillars out, but yeah, it's just stuck at the front. Okay, now that the dash is unstuck from the windshield, damn door. Fucking gravity. Kiss my ass, gravity. There we go. One crusty dashboard out. There we go, new dashboard. Anyway, dash is roughly set in place now, so now I've got to bolt it in. Well, console's all back in. Now just got to get pod, the trim, the glove box back on, and we'll be looking good.